Hey kids, Flexing Teacher Weber here. On the first video I gave you today on equality and algebra, a very smart person pointed out that I made a small error on the last question, so I want to show you that last question again. Now in this last question there's actually two parts that are given, so I'm going to separate them. So if you have a blue triangle, a red circle, a green rectangle, and they equal a red circle and a black rectangle. Then you're also given another equality statement. You have two blue triangles and a yellow trapezoid equals two black rectangles. And then what you want to figure out based on that information, what does one yellow trapezoid equal? So, we have to use this idea of equality, and we have to treat this puzzle as two separate parts. So take a look at the top part. Look at the equal sign and see if there's something that's the same on both sides of the equal sign that we can cancel out. Well, I automatically see there's two red circles. Doink, doink. Now, what you're left with is one black rectangle is equal to a blue triangle and a green rectangle. We'll need that for later. Now let's look at the second part. The second part, there's nothing the same on both sides of the equal sign, so we're sort of stumped. But we need to use the first part that we solved to help us with the second part. So look up here. One black rectangle is equal to blue triangle, green rectangle. And I notice there's some blue triangles over here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to replace my black rectangles with what they equal. They equal the blue triangle and the green rectangle. So I'm going to cross out one black rectangle and I'm going to put in blue triangle, doink, 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 and green rectangle, doink, doink, doink. And I'm going to do the same thing with my other one. So I'll cross out my other black rectangle and I'll put in blue triangle and green rectangle. Now look at what I have now. I have something that's the same on both sides of the equal sign. I have two blue triangles here, two blue triangles here. And when something's the same on both sides of the equal sign, I can cancel it off. Doink, 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 doink. And now my answer is staring me right in the face. One yellow trapezoid is equal to two green rectangles. So when I go to put my answer in, I simply have to draw two green rectangles. I think on the first time I did this, I said it was equal to two red circles, but it's equal to two green rectangles. Sorry for that mistake, but we all learn from our mistakes, right? Hopefully that video helped. Flexing Teacher Weber out.